Start by measuring your pond depth. The nozzle kit includes quite a few washers. We're going to use them here when adding the threaded adapter. Put one in the bottom as shown, and one onto the threaded adapter. We can now add the extension tubes from the nozzle kit. These are threaded with gaskets, and in this case we've decided we need 3 of them to match the height of the pond. This swivel attachment is a great accessory to use for your nozzle to make sure that it's easy to straighten it once it's in the pond. Measuring twice to make sure we've got the height right. Use the convenient handle on the pump to lower it into the pond rather than the cord itself. Make sure your nozzle head is straight. Plug in the pump and see what type of display you've got from each nozzle. We've added a 4th riser now that we're going to try the bell nozzle because we need some space in between the pond surface, and you can adjust this nozzle to suit your desired effect.